Hi everyone, it's Dan from Open Telecom International. I'm back with another how to do video, and in today's video we're going to be looking at how we set up our VoIP or SIP phone or VoIP or SIP mobile app. Just to reiterate that VoIP and SIP are the same thing. If you hear someone say have you got a SIP phone, it means have you got a VoIP phone, and it's the same thing. So VoIP, SIP, exactly the same thing. SIP protocol is what is VoIP. So today we're going to look at how we set up our SIP VoIP phone or app, and just look at the settings. So if you've just bought yourself a nice desktop phone, desktop VoIP phone, or a bit tongue-tied there. Or you've got downloaded our Zoiper app, which you can find on our website here under Customer Zone, My Account Help, and the Zoiper link. And incidentally, on this page it will show you in full detail how to set up the SIP app. Going back to the main screen, let's log into the control panel. Let's log into our management account of our numbers. Oh, sorry. There we go. Incidentally, you'll see that we've updated the control panel with lots of user-friendly, helpful information, more text and stuff to explain things, and it's constantly upgrading, and we're going to keep doing so to improve service for the customer. You'll notice that the menu's changed. There's now 4 options: My Account, Manage Settings, Support, and Order Numbers. These 2 links here go to our website, but we'll do those in another video. Today we're just going to deal with how to set up your VoIP SIP phone or your VoIP SIP app. First of all, we need to just go into one of the numbers which has which is VoIP and SIP enabled. Incidentally, all numbers now are VoIP SIP enabled. All our numbers can be used, except for the revenue share numbers. They can all be used with a VoIP desktop phone or a VoIP mobile app. This particular number here I'm just going to select is already set up, and I'm using that on my mobile. You'll see that there's no forwarding number. If you want to just use it for VoIP SIP application, then don't place any forwarding number here. If you place a forwarding number here, what will happen is our system, when the number is dialed, for instance this number here, it will check for a VoIP link first to a VoIP phone. If there's no VoIP phone attached to the service, it will then look for a forwarding number, which you would put here. If there's no forwarding number, it will then go to voice to email and record a message and send that through as an attachment to your email address. You can obviously add a forwarding number here by just clicking new item, and you can select add a landline or a mobile, like that. That's my mobile. And then here you put 30 seconds or 15, and then you would switch that on and then click save. There we go, and that's now activated. That forwarding's now activated on there. So if someone calling my free phone number here, if I don't answer my VoIP phone or VoIP app on my mobile, it will automatically forward through to this number here. Now I'm going to delete that because obviously I don't want that there. So now this is how it's set for the VoIP application. To find my SIP user details, I need to go to SIP user information, and here you've got all the information. There's information there to download the Zoiper app, which goes to the link on our website, and also for information about the VoIP port block of 5060, which happens for several countries. And there's a way around that if you just click on that link. I'm going to cover that in another video anyway. Here we've got the SIP URL details, IP address or web address, which your VoIP phone or VoIP app will ask for. And then obviously here are all your usernames and passwords. Where it says account ID, this is your username and this is your password. In some phones and some apps, mobile apps, they ask for username and label. Your label is your caller ID. Maybe it might be good in the future to change this to caller ID. But your label is what you're presenting to someone else when you make a call. So you would put this as your username and also as your caller ID, and then this is your password. You can reveal your password by clicking on the action show password. There you go. You see it says show password. For obviously security reasons, I'm not going to click on there because it will reveal our password. I can, however, click on the edit address and this pops up with all, obviously, your personal details to the number. Then you've got here the update password, so you can change your password. So let's say the password was I want SIP. I can change that to I want SIP 2. So let's say it was I want SIP. And I can change that to I want SIP 2. And then I click update, obviously, after confirming it. That's basically it. If you're using the Zoiper app, just scroll down in the service providers menu and you'll find Open Telecom International listed. It installs all the settings straight away, so all you have to do is put the username, which is your phone number, and the password, which you can reveal by clicking the I button here. If you're using a desktop phone, it's a little bit more complicated. You'll have to put a little bit more information and you'll have to actually type in the SIP address information here, and you'll have to do the password and the login as well. But obviously most people are familiar with that if they've got a SIP desktop IP phone. If you've got any questions, please feel free to contact us. Go to our website, click on About and click on the Contact Us page, and there's a form on there here which you can fill in and ask any questions you might have, or give us a call on free phone 0808 117 6736, or if you're calling from international, call us on +44 808 117 6736. I hope that's helped you, and again, if you've got any queries when you're setting up your VoIP phone or your VoIP mobile app, please do give us a call or message us and we'll be glad to help you with any of the configurations and settings. Have a great day.